Hey guys, okay, my hair's looking a little weird because I just showered and I let it air dry, so like so for this video, you can see me literally in the back, but for this video I'm gonna be doing a weekend in my life. So basically I'm gonna be showing you what I do on a college weekend. Yesterday was Chinese New Year's, so obviously I had a dinner with my family. So I came back at around 2 today, which is the day after Chinese New Year, Saturday, and I've just been working on my homework and just like cleaning my dorm. I've been doing that. I'm about to do laundry in a bit after I finish my homework, so that is what I'm doing today. But tomorrow is super exciting because I'm going to the Melrose Trading Post. So today is just gonna be a busy day. You guys can watch me die and stress over my homework. By the way, it is 5 o'clock right now. I'm just gonna see how long this freaking homework takes me.
Over the quantity x squared minus 1, which leaves us with the natural log 1/3 times the quantity 2 times the natural log of x plus 3 plus the natural log of x minus the natural log of x squared minus 1. The natural log of the quantity x plus 3 squared times x we can write as an exponent of the argument of the log over the quantity x squared minus 1.
Your girl just figured it out. Okay, we're chilling. Studying with Vanessa? I hate math. Guys, this is the moment of truth. I have all my answers put in. Submit answer. It's going. Yeah. And hours and hours and hours. I'm so annoying, but hours of work are all in this notebook right here. I have a midterm on Friday, a paper due Friday, and then these are all the office hours that I'm planning on going to, because in college I learned that it is very important to take advantage of your resources, and if your TAs have office hours, freaking go to them because they help so much. And even if you don't need help, just like talk to them about like what to expect on the next quiz, how to study for the next midterm. I did that for my business midterm and asked about studying tips because I have one next Friday, and she helped me so much. So yeah, that is my day. My hair is a mess.
Yo, what's good? This is Pentland K. This is the prime rust right here. eBay retail $47.99.
Show off your fit. We PG-13. Yeah.
I'm out here. I'm just playing Pokemon Go. You know, it's looking really.
Oh my god.
Switching the game. What's going on? Did you guys get it? Did you get at Michael's?
Yeah, deadass.
I love Michael's.
Okay, hey guys, my voice is so weird. I feel like I'm getting sick, but we're all in the car right now. Simone, say hello. Hi. MJ, say hello. Now we're headed to the Melrose Trading Post. Yeah, y'all look so freaking cute. I'm excited.
I like the heart.
Guys! So we just got to the Melrose Trading Post and like, we're looking at the cutest jackets.
Most of them gon' talk, I know. Most of them gon' fall, I know. We gon' bet it all, I know.
Wait, this is the move, Simone.
I know. Power girl, I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know your ways.
Yeah, do you guys want to say hi? Hello. Let me like put up your everyone. Do you guys have the G's of an X? Yes. Just finished at the Melrose Trading Center. So now we're just walking around Melrose because we're waiting to meet up with our friend Jonathan. Yeah. So we're waiting for that, and then we're just gonna walk around and like see what's up.